In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add temperature to your Instagram story. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on your home page and using your finger slide from the left to the right. This will mean that you can post a story. Now, you're going to take a picture or upload whatever you would like and click on the happy face on the top right. This will be all of your options for stickers. If you want to find temperature, just click on search and search on temperature. Now, as you can see, there are tons of options for your temperature, but if you saw earlier when I was typing temperature, there came up a sticker that actually showed my current temperature. You can tap to change it and see what sticker you actually like most. That's all there is to it. You'll then be able to post your story with the temperature sticker. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.